Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
දරුවොත් එක්ක ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කතා කරන්න කැමති ඔබට වැදගත් වෙන වීඩියෝ එකක් තමයි අද මම ගෙනෙන්නේ. මෙහි දරුවන්ගෙන් ඇසිය හැකි ප්‍රශ්න 25ක් සහ ඔවුන්ට ඒ සඳහා ලබා දිය හැකි පිළිතුරුත් අන්තර්ගත වෙනවා. ඉතින් දිගටම රැඳී ඉන්න වීඩියෝ එක සමග අපි යමු වීඩියෝ එකට.
Who fixed your bike? Who fixed your bike?
My brother fixed it. My brother fixed it.
Why are you sad? Why are you sad?
Because Dad scolded me. Because Dad scolded me.
Can you water the plant? Can you water the plant?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Why did you make this card? Why did you make this card?
I made this for Mom's birthday. I made this for Mom's birthday.
Where is your jacket? Where is your jacket?
It's in the closet. It's in the closet.
Who will join us for lunch? Who will join us for lunch?
My friend Anya will join us. My friend Anya will join us.
Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy?
Because I got the highest marks on my test. Because I got the highest marks on my test.
Who brought the food? Who brought the food?
Auntie Danusha brought them. Auntie Danusha brought them.
What did you see at the zoo? What did you see at the zoo?
I saw many animals like lions, elephants, monkeys, and parrots at the zoo. I saw many animals like lions, elephants, monkeys, and parrots at the zoo.
Who made that noise? Who made that noise?
It was a dog. It was a dog.
How many days a week do you stay after school? How many days a week do you stay after school?
I stay after school 3 days a week. I stay after school 3 days a week.
Are you twins? Are you twins?
No, we are just siblings. No, we are just siblings.
Did you hear about it? Did you hear about it?
Yes, I heard about it. Yes, I heard about it.
Are you two best friends? Are you two best friends?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Can you fix this? Can you fix this?
Yes, I will try. Yes, I will try.
What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Nisha. I'm Nisha.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 7 years old. I'm 7 years old.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Candy. I live in Candy.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to drink some water. I'm going to drink some water.
Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like it a lot. Yes, I like it a lot.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music.
What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice. My favorite drink is orange juice.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Just looking around. Just looking around.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea. No, I prefer tea.
ඔයාලා තාමත් මගේ channel එක subscribe කරලා නැත්නම් අදම subscribe කරන්න කියලාත් ආදරෙන් මතක් කරනවා. එහෙනම් අපි තවත් දවසක හමු වෙමු. මම රන්සි.